Hello everyone, this is Rehan. Today we are going to know about this action bar, how to remove it from activities. So let's get started without wasting time. Welcome back. First of all, let's go to Android Studio. Now here, come to this sources file, then values file, and then styles. Maybe there is not style XML file, maybe there is themes or any other. So click on that one and come here and click on remove this dark action bar and just click no action bar. So automatically it's suggesting this. So when it's done, just sign it with the grid files and you have done it. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any question regarding this or any other topic in Android Studio, so please comment. I would love to answer your question.